Hi, how are you? I'm Pauline from Pauline's Quilters World. What I want to share with you is this gorgeous bag we've made. This is what we call the HoneyBun Circle Bag, because there's a lot of honey buns out there. Now, if you don't know what a honey bun is, it's a pre-packed roll of fabric and the strips are cut 1.5 inches wide. We all know about the jelly rolls. They're 2.5 inches. So now the fabric companies are doing great 1.5 inch wide strips for us. And we've designed the little honey bun sasha that will allow us to make this gorgeous bag. So you're going to start with your 1.5 inch wide strips. Now, if you haven't got a honey bun, just get your stash out. Time to bust that stash open and start using it. Cut your strips 1.5 inches wide. Cut some scraps of batting 1.25 inches wide. Lay it on top of the strip. Fold both ends in, and it works just like the jelly roll sasha tool does. But if you've never used that, this is exactly what we do. Hold the tool by the handle. Come up from underneath. Go back down through that split, pull it through, and pull it through a good couple of inches. Now, what you're going to do is go to your sewing machine and put this under the foot of the machine, and you're going to fold this over in half. It's a little bit fiddly to get started, but once you get the pressure foot down on the sewing machine and the needle down, you'll sit there at your machine. Then you will pull this tool ahead of yourself, and it will cut that out of the road. This will fold the fabric for you, and you're just going to roll over and stitch. So you're going to pull, roll, stitch till you get the whole thing done. And then you're just going to start rolling the fabric around in a roll, and you're going to zigzag it together till you get the size that you want. Then in the pattern, we tell you what size to make this circle to. We then give you the pattern for the flap, and then we've got the great handles on this. And you can make these handles or the straps whatever length you want, whatever size suits you. So to make the straps, I've cut this piece of fabric 4 inches wide. I've laid the batting on top, and then we have designed, some of you may already know about them, we've got the strapper sets. Now these have got a much wider split here to accommodate the batting. Same thing, you're just going to roll it in half, into thirds, put this into the tool, and you're going to press the tool with the iron till you get the whole thing ironed up. So we're not at the sewing machine with this one, we're going to pin into the ironing board, we're going to press with the iron, and that will fold that fabric for us. Just keep pushing, and that will fold it through beautifully. Then if you want to do the double trim, cut another piece of fabric and fold it in, but because we haven't got the batting in this time, we're going to put it through one of our regular sasha tools. Same thing, you'll fold this, press it, then you'll come back and you'll lay it over the top of that opening. Oops. You can get the idea there. You're going to lay it over the top and stitch either side and stitch that strap onto your bag. You're going to have so much fun, you know, and it's such a cute bag. And you can make it as big or as small as you like. So enjoy, have lots of fun, try all our new tools. We've got some exciting things for you. And don't forget, go onto our website, because there's so many different things there that we've created for you. Go on to www.pqw.com.au and have a look around. Go shopping. You can shop in your pajamas. It's going to be so much fun. Ask us any questions, because we'll answer them for you straight away. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter, because we want you to start receiving our email newsletters, because we've got some fabulous things starting to happen for you.